Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about matrices 4 marks questions in this session. Please go to our playlist matrices. Other videos also available. Matrix inversion method, Gauss-Jordan method, and Cramer's rule related problems and matrices determinants also examples I have given in our playlist. Please go through, dear students. Let us have a discussion. The question here: if I equal to 1 0 0 1 2 by 2 identity matrix, E equal to 0 1 0 0, then show that AI plus BE whole cube equal to A cube I plus 3A square B into E. Number of times this question asked in the boards. So students must practice this question thoroughly. So the question is here, the given information you have to write it first. Given I equal to 1 0 0 1 and E value also given now. E equal to 0 1 0 0. Later AI plus BE value calculate. AI plus BE. So AI plus BE, that means small a into I is matrix, that you have to write it here 1 0 0 1 plus B into E matrix 0 1 0 0. A into matrix, constant, scalar into matrix. Each and every term of this, that is each and every element of this matrix multiplying with A. So it will becomes A into 1, A into 0, A into 0, A into 1. So this is the value of AI. Next, B into plus, B into 0, B into 1, B into 0, B into 0. Later, the sum of two matrices. So the corresponding elements we can add. So A plus 0. So A, directly I am writing 0 plus B, B, 0 plus 0, A plus 0, A. This is the value of AI plus BE. But we required AI plus BE whole cube. So that means thrice we have to do it. That means 3 times you have to multiply. Before that, we need to get the value of AI plus BE whole square. X square means x into x. Similarly, AI plus BE whole square, we can write it as AI plus BE into AI plus BE, that is equal to AI plus BE value is this only, no? So you can write it A, B, 0, A. Next again AI plus BE, A, B, 0, A. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. We know that how to multiply. So which is equal to, so first row, first column you have to multiply like this. So you will get A into A square plus B into 0, 0. A into A plus B into 0. Similarly, A into B, AB, B into A, BA. Next, 0A, A0 is there, no? Next, what we have to do? Same. Second row, first column again. So, A in 0 into A, 0, plus A into 0, 0. Next, 0 into B, 0. A into A square. So, you will get A square AB plus AB, 2AB plus 0 plus A square. This is the value of AI plus BE whole square. But we required AI plus BE whole cube, no? So we can write it as, in the next step, AI plus BE whole cube is equal to AI plus BE whole square into AI plus BE. AI plus BE whole square into AI plus BE. Yeah, I hope everyone is able to see this, students. We'll move on to this. So after that, this value and this value, here it is difficult to write, so we can write it here. So AI plus BE whole cube is equal to the value of AI plus BE whole square value is this one, you know. So we can write it as A square 2AB and 0 A square into AI plus BE value is this one only, no? AI plus BE value here. A, B and 0 and A. Here also actual multiplication like this first. These two have to multiply, later these two. Next these two have to multiply, later these two. This is the way we can do, dear students. Same procedure for the second row, second column, first column. A square into A cube. A square into B, A square into A, next 2AB into 0. 0 only will come. A square into B, A square B plus 2AB into A, so 2A square B. Here 0 into A, for this also I will write it for your convenience. 0 into A, next A square into 0. 0 into B and A square into A. So now it will comes 0 into A, 0, A square into 0, 0. Next 0 into B, 0, A square into A cube. So if you simplify this, you will get A cube, A square B plus 2A square B, 3A square B, next 0 plus A cube. This is the value of AI plus BE whole cube. Equation number 1. So LHS value we got it. Now I am calculating RHS value. So that is consider A cube I plus 3A square B into E. So A cube into I value. I value means identity matrix. This you have to write it. 1001 plus 3A square B into E value. E means what? 0100. 0100. So which is equal to each and every element multiplying by A cube. So A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 3A square B 0 0. Next corresponding elements we are going to add. A cube plus 0 A cube, 0 plus 3A square B 3A square B, 0 plus 0 A cube plus 0. Equation number 2, which is A cube I plus 3A square B into E. From equation 1 and from equation 2, this value and this value both are equal only, no? So whenever these two are equal, obviously these values also equal. From 1 and 2 we are giving conclusion. From 1 and 2, AI plus BE whole cube is equal to A cube I plus 3A square B into E. Hence proved. This is the way we can do this, students. I hope everyone understand. Still any doubts are there? You can write to my comment box. We will move to the next question in this session. That is also number of times they asked in the public exam. These two questions are very, very important for 4 marks. The next question, dear students. If theta minus pi means phi equal to pi by 2, then show that cos square theta, cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, sin square theta, cos square phi, sin cos phi sin phi, cos phi sin phi, sin square phi equal to 0. So the condition is provided. What condition is given? Given that, or simply given, theta minus phi equal to pi by 2. That is the given information. Now I am considering LHS. That means given the product of two matrices, cos square theta, cos theta sin theta, here cos theta sin theta, here sin square theta, into wherever theta is there, phi substitute, cos square phi, next cos phi sin phi, here cos phi sin phi, sin square phi is equal to. So actual multiplication like previous problem, cos square theta into cos phi, cos square theta into cos phi, plus cos theta sin theta into cos phi sin phi, cos theta into sin theta, cos phi sin phi. Next, these two completed now. Next, cos square theta into, so cos square theta into cos phi sin phi. Next, these two multiply, plus cos theta sin theta into sin square phi, cos theta sin theta into cos square phi. So once again we'll check this. Cos square theta into cos phi, cos square phi, right? This we have to multiply, dear friends. It's what it is. The rest of the time it says, right. Next, cos theta sin theta into cos square phi. These two we are multiplying. Cos theta sin theta into cos square phi. These two multiply, plus sin square theta into cos phi sin phi. These two next these two have to multiply. Cos theta sin theta, cos phi sin phi, plus sin square theta sin phi, sin square theta sin phi. Just actual multiplication we did. See once again, these two will check it. Cos theta into sin theta into cos square phi, sin square theta into cos phi sin phi. Next, cos theta into cos sin theta into cos phi sin phi, sin square theta into sin phi. Yeah. Here, from these two, slowly you can do this, students. Cos theta, cos phi, you take common. Cos theta, cos phi. So the remaining is cos theta, cos phi, plus cos theta, cos phi remaining sin theta, sin phi. Next, from these two also cos theta is common. Next, sin pi common. So cos theta into sin pi take common. The rest of the terms, whatever here bracket value is there, no, that only will come. So here observe carefully, cos theta into cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. Next, from these two, sin theta and cos phi. Sin theta into cos phi take common, dear students. So cos theta sin phi if you take, sin theta cos phi if you take, cos theta cos phi will be there now. Again this bracket value only will come. Cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. While doing this type of problem, be careful, dear students. Sometimes we may miss the squares and all. Be careful, be alert. Again from these two also we can take common sin theta sin phi. Sin theta sin phi if we take out common, cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. We know that this bracket value, observe carefully, in all the terms, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B. Everyone remember, this is the formula from trigonometry. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B equal to cos of A minus B. So by using this formula, this will becomes cos theta into cos phi into cos of theta minus phi. Every bracket value will becomes cos of theta minus phi. So here cos theta sin phi into cos of theta minus phi, cos theta, here according to that, sin theta into cos phi into cos of theta minus phi, sin theta into sin phi, cos of theta minus phi. Later, the condition you can apply. Theta minus pi value is what? Pi by 2. So wherever theta minus pi by 2 value is there, since theta minus pi by 2 equal to, theta minus pi equal to pi by 2, that implies cos of theta minus pi is equal to cos pi by 2. That means we are taking cos on both sides. Cos pi by 2 value what? 0. Cos 90 0. So wherever in this matrix cos theta minus pi is there, you replace with 0. So cos theta cos pi into 0, cos theta sin pi into 0. So sin theta into cos pi into 0, sin theta into sin pi into 0. So 0 into anything is 0 only, no? So this is null matrix will come, dear students, 0 0 0 0. So hence this value goes to be 0. This is required RHS. Hence proved. Write it here. Hence proved. I hope you understand that. Dear students, one more request from my side. While multiplying these two matrices, be aware. Why? Because sometimes we may miss the writing the squares and powers. Be careful while writing. And one logic is there. After multiplying these two matrices, the common term we are getting here, cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin pi in every element of this 2 by 2 matrix. So you can understand that. You can take common, this value will become cos A cos B plus sin A sin B formula, that is cos of A minus B formula. We can apply and it will help. This step will help you to solve this. Thank you, students, for your support. Jai Hind. Maths with Panindra.